Let's make some granola. These are the ingredients that I use for the granola. So Himalayan salt, I have honey, cinnamon, coconut flakes, unsweetened. I have pecans here, and coconut oil, almond that are sliced, sunflower seeds, rolled oats. It's really much better to use rolled oats. Alright, I forgot to prepare my pecans, so I have to slice them a bit so that it's not too big for the granola. So that's what I'm doing now, and then we'll place that together with the ingredients. Are you excited? Because I am. It will be delicious. Let it cool down and transfer in your bottle. Hi again, guys. I couldn't wait to try my granola. So for breakfast, I'm having coconut yogurt and some fruit as my topping. So I'd like to place fresh fruit instead of placing dried fruits in my granola because it's nicer, it feels fresh, and it's less sugar than in dried form. And I've placed my granola in the jar that I have reused, and then I will place it as my topping, and voila, I have very delicious and healthy breakfast. You can use granola in so many ways, in your baked products, in your treats for your kids, anything. Enjoy, guys. Stay healthy. Bye.